Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about dog is a domestic animal. In today's day, they are considered as popular pets of humans. Researchers have found that dogs are the only animal that can sense our emotions from a single glance. When a dog wags their tail, yes, it can mean they are excited. Dogs can see color, though the colors are not as vivid as humans. They can also provide support for people living with mental disorders such as anxiety and depression. Dogs' noses are wet to help them absorb chemicals. A dog's sense of smell is 10,000 to 100,000 stronger than human is because they have over 300 million olfactory receptors in their nose. Particularly, a bloodhound's sense of smell is so strong that it can be used as evidence in a court of law. During sleep, dogs' brain wave patterns are similar to that of humans and go through the same stages of electrical activity. Dogs eat both meat and also other food items. The average life of a dog is 10 to 13 years. Approximately, there are 800 breeds of dogs in the world. They act as guard of the house because they do not let any unknown person to enter the house. Street dogs are not tamed by anybody. They roam on the road and lead a miserable life. Street dogs are caught for dog meat, and people from different parts of the world eat them. Generally, they are friendly in nature, but they can also attack anyone if they are sick. Bite from an unvaccinated dog could lead to a serious life-threatening infection called rabies. About 60% of the world's estimated dog bites occur in children below the age of 15 years. Removing the reproductive organs of the street dogs will help keep their population in control. Thank you for watching Animal Kingdom. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share.